Hello, thank you so much for joining my channel today. My name is Bradford Hermann and I am a recycle artist.
Right boss, people.
About 5 months ago, I made a video where I created a bumblebee out of coconuts, old brushes, and resin. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. I also made a flower for the bee to collect pollen from. I've never been happy with this flower though. Reason being, you have this beautiful, voluptuous, three-dimensional bumblebee, and then you have this flat and lifeless flower. We are gonna change that today.
These are royal palms. These are the fronds from said palm. It's taken a couple months to get these flat and dried to this point.
Let's prime paint these. You're off to see the wizard.
Because we have to get some great stuff.
Now, as much as it hurt, I removed the existing petals and we're just gonna adhere these to the back board. Now we wait. That took forever. That worked fantastic. These will be two of the many stamen on this flower. This flower is done again, and it's off to a juried show, so wish me luck. If you like any of these, hit the like button.